Oh, Mama. Hey, Mama. She lives across the tree.
Oh, who's that coming? Who's that? Is that Stormy? It's Stormy. Is it Stormy? Yeah. Stormy, what are you doing here? Stormy, you're making some videos here. Oh, she snatched that quick.
But she sit there. You're not afraid she's pregnant.
Yeah, she's big.
Oh, my goodness. Long time. See, that's her baby. Look. See right there by the fence?
Yeah.
Now she gonna follow her mama back. No? Okay, maybe not. This is one. Oh, look at the nose.
Yeah, we got a lot of little ones out here.
Hey, Stormy's baby. He followed her over the first time.
Big jump, yeah.
Didn't wind up.
It's got warm out
It
here.
looks just like her. Oh, there you go. No? Okay. Go back to Mama.
These are the smaller ones I bought.
Yeah, I love these. These are great.
Yeah, I picked those because I figured there'd be more of them per
And that's
pound.
what I was gonna say.
That's why
Get a
I
lot
picked
more.
them.
Yeah, they were watching me rake, and then one of the squirrels sounded the alarm when I sat down. The one saying that she's about to put food out.
Yeah, we just bought 15 pounds of pecans. I went by and saw our friends over at Lane Southern Orchards, but they're not ready for us yet, but they said next month. Yeah, they donated 3,000 pounds in March, and they're just not quite ready yet, so we buying them.
Where did my cardinals go? Oh, hey, sweetie.
A lot of fast ones.
Yeah, from across the street.
They do a dash up here. Oh, it's a few days till Christmas. Oh, who's this little guy?
Come on. Come on. You got pistol?
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Oh, that hawk over to the right.
Where?
To your right.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Yeah,
Yeah, I see him.
So it's okay. Come on.
There you go.
It's okay. He won't get you. He's right here. It's okay.
Look, we're running around now.
All right, let me come around.
Oh, yeah, he's going around that way.
Yeah, I'm coming behind you and follow.
Who's this one?
Oh, here. Oh, hey, sweetie. Buddy, come on. Is that Buddy? Speedy? Come on, Speedy. Where you been? Come on. Speedy. Oh, no, that's Mama.
Speedy baby.
Here you go.
Some of them look just like Speedy.
Yeah, no, that's Mama Squirrel. She lives next door. I keep thinking she's Speedy sometimes. And she'll almost come up.
And the bird doesn't take all the peanuts.
Let me get you some more real quick.
Birds are the ones taking all the peanuts.
Yeah, I told you when it's cold, the blue jays show up. I'm gonna put some up front. I forgot about the babies up there in that tree. Mama up there.
Oh, He's just gonna. Come on, look, it's Stormy.
That might be Stormy
Yeah,
again.
I think it is.
Come on.
Come on. Come on, Stormy. Come on, Stormy. Here you go.
She's so pretty.
Oh.
She's so pretty.
You're
Look
gonna
at
rip it out of my hand.
Where you going? Where you going?
Watch out, Stormy. They'll hog around.
Side yard? It'll be flat come spring. I should go bury that one. That's her berry spot. Oh, what you doing? Look at her. Yep, there she goes. I'm watching. Alright, I'll put watching.
Oh, the squirrel's eating good. Like I said, we bought 15 pounds of pecans. Probably about 80 pounds of peanuts. You gotta take care of the babies out here. Bought a case of cat food, treats, and a couple frozen pizzas for us, right? And that's all we need. Oh, you got it? Who's that? The blue jay. Blue jays, they all come up here. Get their peanuts. Oh, Stormy's coming back. I see her. Oh, she's hopped over. She's coming. Stormy, you coming for another one? Come on. Come on, Stormy. Come on. Stormy girl. Here you go. Gotta be careful, Stormy. Look at this squirrel over there playing on the tree. Little baby. He's hopping along. Let me see if I can get it. Oh, stop. Where'd he go? Oh, that was Stormy's baby. He was jumping off the branches. Oh, who's up there? Beautiful afternoon. Beautiful blue sky. Warm. Everybody's out. Stormy came over again. I don't know.
What should we call her? W8? R? What do you want to call her? The one with the little white head?
That's not Whitehead.
No. You gotta come up with a good name.
Oh,
She's so sweet.
and a peanut.
Hey, cutie. Buddy. Where you at,
Back
buddy?
up.
Little fella. Come on. Sneezy. Sweet pea. Lulu. Where you at, Lulu? Come on, little fella. Come on, buddy. Temp's gonna be dropping shortly.
Yeah, it's the warmest part of a day. I'm sure they'll be out in the next hour.
Shortest day of the year. Happy winter solstice. Aw. You're so pretty. Where's Tippy? I haven't seen Tippy in a while. Come on. Come on. It's okay. You're okay. Buddy. Where's Buddy? I miss you, buddy. Come on. You having trouble? Oh, it's red. Alright, hold on. I got you some peanuts. We gotta get them before the Blue Jays do. We'll bring them just a second. Hey, sweetie. Come on. Come on. Oh, is that Lulu? Hey, Lulu. Come on. There she is. That's Stormy's baby right there.
Oh, yeah, she cut out there fast.
Yeah, I think she's staying with her mama. Come on, Stormy. Mama Squirrel, come on. You can have something. You hiding? Come on, Mama. You have enough to can. Sorry, you're nursing babies now. You shouldn't be. Playing so high you can't even see it.
Yeah, avoid all the drones.
Super low.
We gotta avoid the drones now.
I'm telling you, there's two drones. There's one over here, one over there, and we got 2 or 3 up front. And then there's one that pops up over here sometimes. Mama,
Alright. Let me
I gotta bring some peanuts.
start cooking dinner soon.
Here, baby.
I gotta get Mama inside. She'll give out the 15 pounds of pecans in one day. Oh, man. Uh-oh. A squirrel alarm. Mama's gotta go hand feed him.
That's the woodpecker. Where you at, Woody? Come on.
Alright,